So I just reached New Kingston. Start of a new day, a new weekend. Um, Going Montego Bay Ochi this weekend with Miss Global ladies for their photo shoot. So yeah, feel kind of sick right now, but getting my butt where I need to get it. I'm not my makeup. I never steep. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going to see if I can find where the bus is or if anybody is here. So yeah.
My brows, my eyebrow. I must say eyebrow because I'm the grow from here, right? Yes, sir. Or say I'm enough eyebrow. You got enough. I'm in the face.
Let's shake each other.
I look like a werewolf.
You're one of them people that with the baby ear come down and
Down in
stuff.
my face and make my eyebrow. I'm the same.
You don't want to drink coffee? So where I'm going now.
So, Sherry? Hello, I don't want to mind me. What 9 minutes?
You really but you drink one already, one more you want. What she? It's not like that. How much fees? We're boarding the flight now. Tracy.
Everything you record.
Yes. Long in. Do it for the vlog.
Oh my God.
Jody. Say hi. Jody.
Introducing you to my coach. Anyone of you ever been with Northwood Express before?
No.
Are we just to the airport anywhere at all? Yes? So
The captain.
I am taking a 50% are familiar with the coaches, right? Yes? Alright, this little box here is actually a restroom. The only thing missing is a shower. And if you are skinny enough, you might can shower in there. But, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Take a look. Don't charge. Let's inside. Let's inside. Alright, your seats are reclinable. There's a lever on the outer portion of the seat for the seats in the aisle. Right here, just pull back, raise back. For the wall seats, there's a lever between the wall and the seat. Just pull back, apply back pressure on the seat with the recline. While you so remember that someone is sitting behind you. Alright? We do have Wi-Fi on board. You should be seeing KX Wi-Fi 5. No password needed. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, at this time I ask that you fasten your seatbelts. Fasten your seatbelts. Take your from sitting comfortably.
Plane has taken off now. The plane is taking off. So, you ready? Come. The plane is taking off. Put on your seatbelt, man. So we're about to go. I'm gonna put on my seatbelt now. She's put on her seatbelt. are at over there. Dalvin Cove now. Say hi, girls. We're in their friends, no pay me no mind. So I walk guys to the restroom and then we check out the place later. So happy birthday to Kim, guys. Even though it's going to be way past them time limits. Hi. Ooh, my face is really Hi. Dolphin Cove, Negril. Yeah. Huh?
Shark, touch your man in the back, get some cool photos, Instagram, Snapchat.
Thank you. Can I?
Oh, really?
I want
You want to
to.
make this with us today?
I want to.
You do it and we snap you up.
We are great, man. No, you're still, man. We don't want to push you, man.
So I'm going to be adventurous
And not stay down there because he's going to walk past over there.
and ride a camera.
You afraid of the donkey?
Jesus Christ. Drop it again.
But drop it. This is a very hungry camel. Let me stop. Doritos like it's just nothing.
Yeah, I figure out how to use your phone.
Tap, double tap.
Not work. We're not that no, I don't know what we are doing.
Well, I'm gonna show how good them pictures is in the boat.
So how was your ride, Maya?
Boss, but it's fun. Unlike
We're too far.
Hold on, sis. Too far? The toy you can't move one time, you know. One at a time. You're smart.
Alright, so another stop on the journey. Reach Grand Palladium. And as always, they're taking pictures over there. We're just waiting for the contestants to come out. I'm hungry. Like, I'm seriously hungry. Right, Q? You're not hungry?
Yeah. Input.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kim. Happy birthday to you.
Come up a little bit closer.
How old are you now?
She kind of shit down.
How old are you now?
Be far. Oh, we are close.
Happy birthday.
Alright.
Happy birthday.
Yes, I like give sing that happy birthday song. I can get the attitude in the background. Try to cut the
Happy
cake sweet.
birthday.
Try to cut the cake. Alright. Yep. Huh?
1, 2, 3.
One more.
So what you want me to do now? Okay then.
show. Me got a boss seat to kill